day.
There's apples under pressure.
You buy stocks on Tuesday and sell them on Friday.
The market is as volatile as you'll ever see.
Traders saying this is the craziest day they have ever seen in these markets. Veteran traders saying they've never seen anything like it.
This video is sponsored by the award-winning Daily Market Movements trading platform. To open a live or demo account, simply visit dmmtradingplatform.com. Hello guys, it's Max here from Daily Market Movements. Welcome to another episode where today we're going to be analysing the S&P 500 futures chart. Just before I start today's video, anyone who's interested in joining my signal service and receiving my personal trades on a daily basis as well as news updates, then please do not hesitate to visit my website dailymarketmovements.com. I charge a very small joining fee of $29.99. But let's start with the S&P 500, the final trading session of the week. And you know, it's a very negative day so far. We're down 1.67%, and this is largely due to Jerome Powell's press conference over at the Jackson Hole conference. So, you know, I think the investors have taken it rather negatively. But, you know, if we look at the bigger picture here, we're pretty much where we were 2 days ago. So I don't really see this as being too negative. You know, you just have to look at it as if, you know, yesterday didn't really happen, where we had that that nice positive trading session, and we're just pretty much trading where we were on Wednesday. So nothing really has happened this week. We've just fallen a little bit lower, and this is largely due to the fact, you know, the Fed is going to be hawkish. We all knew that going into today's trading session, but you know, I don't really care about this red candlestick during today's trading session because my outlook is more medium to longer term. And I think it was only the other day when I showed you why you should be bullish here. Let's just take, a look at the much larger, bigger picture now. Let's look long term. And, you know, dating back to January, where the all-time highs were, that marks pretty much a 16% rally from where we're trading right now. And if you were to trade back down to the lows here, that's only around 11%. So the risk-reward ratio at this moment in time favors the upside. I like buying into weakness. If we continue to dip, fantastic. I'm going to continue to dollar cost average towards the downside, but ultimately my target is up here. You know, why do I have to trade short term? I know that this YouTube channel is called Daily Market Movements, but you know, at the same time, I'm continuing to analyze the market on a daily basis. But I have a longer term objective, and that's to trade back up towards those all-time highs. So if it means we take out the 50-day EMA, fantastic. Guess what? I'm entering with such small positions, it won't even hurt my overall account. I'm dollar cost averaging at tiny amounts until we break out of this downtrend. So if we do go back down to the 0.23 fib area, fantastic, because my risk management that I'm entering into my buy positions right now, you know, I have room for it to go back and test for June 16th lows. I don't think that we will get there, but if we do, fantastic. I will continue to dollar cost average, you know, as low as we go. And then ultimately, I will really start to add significant amounts of money once we break out of this downtrend, which is currently sitting up at around 4,300. But until we do that, I'm just adding very small positions, dollar cost averaging towards the downside, because my ultimate goal, my ultimate longer term goal, you know, in 12 to 24 months time, is that we will be trading at or probably even above the previous all-time highs here for the S&P 500, which was all the way up at around 4,800.
There's apples under pressure.
You buy stocks on Tuesday and sell them on Friday.
The market is as volatile as you'll ever see.
Traders saying this is the craziest day they have ever seen in these markets. Veteran traders saying they've never seen anything like it.